Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel Technology, where we explore everything data related. Today we're diving into a critical aspect of Power BI, data modeling. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, this video will walk you through the key concepts and techniques to create effective data models in Power BI. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is data modeling? Simply put, data modeling is the process of organizing your data in a way that makes it easy to analyze and create reports. In Power BI, this involves connecting different tables, setting up relationships, and ensuring your data is clean and ready for analysis. Before we get hands-on, let's talk about why data modeling is so crucial. A well-designed data model can make your reports more efficient, easier to understand, and scalable as your data grows. It also helps in reducing errors and improving the performance of your reports. In short, good data modeling is the foundation of any successful Power BI project. Now, let's dive into relationships. Relationships are what link different tables in your data model. Power BI supports three main types of relationships: one-to-one. Each record in one table matches a single record in another. One-to-many. A single record in one table is related to multiple records in another. Many-to-many. Multiple records in one table relate to multiple records in another. Setting up these relationships correctly is essential for accurate reporting. Let's take a look at how to do this in Power BI. One of the most efficient ways to organize your data in Power BI is by using a star schema. This approach involves a central fact table, like sales or orders, connected to dimension tables, like customers, products, or dates. This structure simplifies your data model and improves query performance. Let's build a basic star schema together. Once your data model is set, you can enhance it by adding calculated columns and measures. Calculated columns allow you to create new data fields, while measures are used for dynamic calculations. These features are essential for creating powerful and insightful reports in Power BI. Let me show you how to create them. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices for data modeling in Power BI. 1. Simplify your model. Only include necessary tables and fields. 2. Use a star schema. It's simpler and more efficient. 3. Optimize performance. Use calculated measures over calculated columns when possible. And 4. Document your model. Clearly label tables and columns for easy understanding. Following these tips will help you create a more effective and efficient data model. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope this guide to data modeling in Power BI helps you create better reports and dashboards. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to your channel name, and click the bell icon to get notified of new videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.